Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Mr. Coffee Perfect Brew. Okay, the Mr. Coffee Perfect Brew. This is an 8-cup coffee maker that does both hot and iced coffee as well as hot and iced tea. This I picked up on Amazon. I was looking in Target for it, I couldn't find it. It's probably available now. Because I purchased this during the holidays in December. I paid $199 for it, but that was a holiday sale. Right now, as I record this, late February 2025, the price is $249, which is kind of expensive for a coffee maker, even though it makes tea. So just keep that in mind. Like if you're gonna buy this just for coffee and you're not gonna use the tea brewing feature, it might not be worth it. You might want to check out other options because that is kind of high for an auto drip coffee maker. I'm going to quickly show what it comes with. I'm also going to go over the control panel, show you how to navigate it, and then we'll finally make a pot of coffee. I'm going to save the tea for a different video. That'll be separate. Because I haven't tested that yet. We're just going to focus on coffee for this video, both hot and iced coffee. First, I'll just show the carafe real quick. Once again, this is an 8-cup carafe, the full pot. Now, flip the lid to the back. We have a nice oval shower head. And this comes with 2 reusable filters, one for coffee and one for tea, as well as the removable brew basket. And one you'll be using for coffee, one you'll use for tea. It's color-coded. Orange is coffee, and the green you will use for tea. There's this little plastic that sticks out, and there's these 2 sensors, so the machine will know which one is which. And it also comes with a scoop, nice measuring scoop. One side for coffee, and the other side for tea. And should you use this for coffee, you're just going to be filling it up to this line right here. That's what they consider 1 scoop, not all the way up to the top. During testing, I did that, and it came out way too strong because that equals 4 tablespoons. And the halfway mark right here, which I guess what they want you to do is only 2 tablespoons, and that makes more sense. I just want to turn it around so I can show the back of the unit where the water reservoir is. We have the cover that comes off, and this is a removable water reservoir. That's where you'll be putting the water. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the control panel. I'll show you how to set the clock programmable timer, and we'll go over the onboard options as well. When you plug it in, it flashes 12 o'clock. And the first thing that I like to do is I like to set the time. And you're going to want to do that if you want to use the delay brew, the programmable timer. So to set the current time, you would just press set time. And you would use the knob. If you press the knob in, it will scroll between hour, minute, and AM and PM. And to change the time, you would just turn the knob. Let me actually go on this side. So let's just say 6:30 PM. If you scroll to the right, it goes up. If you scroll to the left, the time will subtract. So let's just go to 6:30. And we'll release. And one more step, AM, PM. You can see it right there. 6:30 PM. So that's how you set the current time. Now the time is set. And to select a programmable timer for when you want it to go off in the morning, the same way you set the time, you just press delay brew and select the time you wish for it to go off in the morning. In this example, let's just say 6:10 AM. So we'll press that, and we'll go to 6. Actually, let's just make it 5:10 AM. Let's wake up extra early. Press the knob in. Once again, that's going to scroll between hour, minute, and AM, PM. And we'll select 10. Sorry if my hand was in the way. 5:10 rather. 5:10 AM. And once you release it, you don't have to do anything. The time is set, and you see that delay brew, it's lit. So that means it's going to go off at 5:10 AM. And this takes about, I forgot during testing how long it takes, but it's quick. All right, I turned the light off. You can see it a lot better now. So as I was saying, on the left side of the machine, you have the coffee type option. You have hot, over ice, and express cold brew. And on the right side of the machine, you have the size option. Full 8-cup carafe. Options for 16 ounce, 12 ounce, and 8 ounce. And you could scroll between the both of them by just pressing the knob in. So if you want to select what type you want, hot, over ice, or express cold brew, you'll turn the knob. In this demo, we're going to do a hot, and then we'll do a cup of iced coffee. And to select the size, once again, press the knob in. You'll see that light up underneath the options, and you just use the knob to scroll through your size. And you'll also notice the number of scoops. Let me just zoom that out just a little bit. You'll also notice the number of scoops. So if you select the full 8-cup pot, 5 scoops, 16 ounce, 2 scoops, 12 ounces, 1.5, and 8 ounces is 1 scoop. That's a neat little feature. I like that. Now in the event you don't want to deal with setting the clock at a programmable timer, you just want to put the water in, the coffee grounds in, and start the unit, that brew cancel button, that's like an on-off button. Alright, I went ahead and filled up the reservoir to the max level line, added 5 scoops of coffee. If you grind your own coffee, you want the grounds to be like a medium grind. Another thing you notice is you have a countdown clock. I think that's pretty neat. For the full pot, it started, I didn't show it, but it started at 6 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm trying to read this here. Yeah, okay, it says in the manual, the warming plate will automatically turn off after 60 minutes. So you notice that timer going up. So once it reaches 60 minutes, it's going to automatically turn off. I think it was 165. Not this time. No, it was 160. Okay. 160, that's good. That's a nice hot cup. And once again, I'm just going to put in a little milk so you get an idea of strength. And that was using the 5 scoops. Approximately 2 tablespoons per scoop. Well, it smells great. Let's see. That came out very good. And that's how you do hot. But yeah, nice and hot, has good flavor. It's not overly strong or even too weak. I like it. Pretty good. Now we'll try iced coffee. Okay, it's the following day. We're going to try the ice. Put in 1.5 scoops. We're going to do 12 ounces. Plug it in. I'm not 100%. This is a first. I didn't test this. This is a first run, so I have no idea how this is going to come out. I don't know if 1.5 scoops is going to be enough. We're going to see. So let's select over ice, and let's select 12 ounces, and we'll just simply hit start. I'm not even sure how long it's going to take. We should get that countdown. Right now it says 1.5 scoops. Oh, 1 minute and 54 seconds. Cool. it looks good. Doesn't look weak, but there it is. All right, let's see. That works. Yeah. The hot plate doesn't activate. I don't know if I mentioned that when I was doing the hot, but the hot plate doesn't engage. It doesn't activate unless you use the carafe setting. Any other setting like the 16, 12, and what's the other one? 8 ounce. It won't activate. Obviously, if you make an iced coffee too. Actually, that's pretty good. I like it. I would like it just a little stronger, but just a little bit. Instead of the 1.5 scoops, I would just personally probably just use 2. But that's fine. That's not weak at all. So that's going to be the video of the Mr. Coffee Perfect Brew. I thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like the video. Please share the video. That helps the channel grow. And I will see you in my next one.